What's up guys, it's Eli and welcome back to the channel for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do note repeat in Logic, and all you need is Logic and your MIDI keyboard. Ever since I started using Logic back in 2019 as my main DAW for music production, I've been struggling with note repeat. It got to the point that I got the Maschine Micro because of note repeat. Well, it's not exactly the only reason why I got the Maschine Micro, but it's definitely one of the top reasons. Recently, I learned how to do note repeat in Logic, so I figured that I would make a video to show you guys exactly how to do it yourself. And all you really need is your MIDI controller, and any MIDI controller will do. If you have a MIDI controller that has 49 keys or more, it's probably gonna be best because you can have your playable notes and the notes that has your repeat value and all on your keyboard bed all at the same time. But if you have a smaller MIDI keyboard, like a 25 keys or so, it'll work just fine. All you gotta do is just a little finessing to make sure that you have exactly what you need at the moment you need it on the keyboard. All right, so we're about to hop in Logic right now so I can show you exactly how to do it. But first, if you're finding any type of value in the video, make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show support to the channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more videos like this. And here's how you guys can help support the channel. I'm going to have my Amazon affiliate link down in the description. Make sure to use it when you're buying anything on Amazon. It is not going to cost you anything extra, but we'll get a little something so we can invest back in the channel to make more videos for you guys. But ultimately, here's the best way you can help support the channel. We recently started releasing our beats for streaming, and make sure to add us to your playlist on whatever platform that you listen to music on Tidal, Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, whatever it is, YouTube. We are available on all those platforms. Make sure to add us to your playlist. That is ultimately the best way you can help support the channel. All right, without any further ado, let's jump into Logic and let's see how you can do note repeat. All right, so we know our MIDI keyboard is connected. Next thing to do is to make sure that we have the instrument that we want to repeat selected. And of course, I'm talking about the hi-hat. All right, so with the hi-hat selected, if I hit on my MIDI keyboard, we should get some notes. All right, and the next thing that we need to do is we're going to go up here on the top left corner and we're gonna click on that little toolbar menu to open it up. We have all these different tricks that Logic can do, right? We need to locate note repeat and it's right here. I'm just gonna click on that. Now, since I've been using it, it already has all my settings already filled in, but when you first open it, it's going to look more like this. All right, so when you first open it, this is what it's going to look like. What you need to do is just click on this little arrow to expand it out, right? And what you're gonna do next is click on Key Remote. That it brings that little keyboard down so you can see exactly where you need to do your repeat selections, like your repeat values, right? And we can see it starts at C-1 and it goes all the way up to B0, right? So those are the two octaves that your repeat values are gonna live on your keyboard, right? So if you have a MIDI keyboard that's less, if you have a MIDI keyboard that's 25 keys or less, then that's probably not gonna be on the keyboard right off the bat. So what you need to do, you need to octave down a couple times until you have those two octaves on your keyboard, right? If you have a keyboard that is 49 keys or bigger, then you're probably already gonna start out with some of those repeat values on the keyboard, but you need to, again, octave down until you have all the values on your keyboard, right? So from there, basically, it's a matter of choosing the value that you want to repeat and play the note. Again, if you have a MIDI keyboard that is about 25 keys, like 25, 32 keys, then you're gonna have to do a little finessing, choose the value, octave back up, play the notes, and then you're probably gonna have to play a pattern and then go back, choose a different value, record that new pattern, and so on until you finish. But if you have a bigger keyboard where you can have your playable notes and the note repeat values all on the keyboard at the same time, then you just need to do a little practice and get everything in. So basically at this point, all you gotta do is just choose your value and play the note, right? So as we can see, the 1/8 is on D-1. So I need to active down to that, select it, and then just play my note. And as you can see, it's just gonna keep looping it forever, pretty much. If I need a different value, I just need to choose it. All right. And all right. I am not really good at just playing it off rip, but with a little practice, you can get better at it, right? Let's see what we can do while the beat is actually playing. All right, so that was just me just having a little fun, right? With a little bit more practice, you can actually get a cleaner take, and no more struggling to pencil in the hi-hat patterns, right? You can now just play it straight off rip. You don't need to keep going back and forth. Click on this, and it doesn't sound good because when you're clicking in the notes, you're not hearing it in real time. So it's kind of hard to get the right thing. But if you are able to just play it, then you get it better every time. All right, so that is it for the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show support to the channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more videos like this. All right, I'll see you in the next one.